Morning world, bit of a different video this morning. We're going to be talking not about cars, but about this thing, my BMW F650 GS Dakar. Now, I bought this back in May. It's got, I don't know, about 45,000 Ks on the clock. I am a learner. I picked it up in Brisbane. I rode all the way back from Brisbane, 1,000 Ks, first time on the road, survived. Who'd have thought? But one of the problems is there's not too many places around this area of Sydney, at least, that will service an old BMW motorbike. There's a few around here, but they only want to focus on European or Hondas or these sort of things. There's a couple of places I've checked, but they don't seem to have very good reviews. But there is one that's over in Mona Vale in the northern beaches of Sydney. So we're going to give those guys a go. But before we do that, I thought it's probably wise to give it a quick detail, seeing as I am a detailer, or purportedly. So what better way to practice than on your own vehicle? Now, I know some do's and don'ts. The battery is underneath here, so that's all pretty safe. I'd have done a bit of a clean underneath the seat, so I'm not going to take the seat off, but I am going to use snow foam. I'm going to use a bit of pre-wash, and I'm going to use protector wax just to look after the suspension parts and everything after it's been cleaned, but hopefully then it's going to be quite nice for somebody to work on. And I'll bring you into a little mistake that I made. You may be able to see this crack here. Yes, that wasn't like that when I first got the bike, but it was like that once the front wheel found that wall down there, and my knackers, they hurt for a couple of days. Slow speed, so I don't know what it's going to be like if I actually have a crash. Hopefully I don't hit that too often. So I don't know, we have to repair that somehow. Maybe it's a new panel, it's only a bit of fiberglass, but we'll see. So let's get on and do a bit of a detail. This will be funny. Let this dwell for 5 minutes. Try and drag off all of that old crust. There's a fair amount of greasy stuff everywhere. I wonder how these will come up. It looks like they come out quite nicely. Yeah, you can see. I'll bring you in here actually, it's interesting to see. Look at the colour of that line coming down. That, I'm hoping, is all off that, oh it is. It's coming all off of the engine guard. That's quite nice. So we'll let that dwell for a little longer. And then another hit of that, I think. that's dwelling time with the protector wax. In this light, it looks quite shiny. We'll rinse it off in a minute or two, and then we'll dry it. So the moment of truth has arrived. Have I killed my bike? Will it start? I had to move it because my neighbours came in. We'll just put this up first. Expertly done, Michael. Right, let's see. Will she start? She's a little bit drippy, not too much. Ignition's on. All lights are on. Ooh. Oh, not good. Success. I haven't killed my bike. Yes. Let's get her up on the stand. Oh, wrong shoes. Oh. There. Let's bring you in. Let's see how she looks. Apologies for the cramped conditions. What else can I do? Can't get a car in here. You can get. It's come up all right. Certainly all the crud that was on the bottom of the engine guard has come off. It looks cleaner, a bit shinier. Maybe nicer for a mechanic to work on anyway. So next up, we are going to take this to Mona Vale. Stop saying Manly Vale, Mona Vale, and see what they can do with it. Hopefully they won't mind you coming along with me. See you soon.